Hello, Victor here from Motor in Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around this Jaguar F-PACE 2.0 P400e 17.1kWh all-wheel drive. Finished in striking red and powered by plug-in hybrid petrol engine, delivering a mighty 404 PS through smooth automatic transmission, this all-wheel drive SUV offers both exhilarating performance and everyday efficiency. The F-PACE wears its performance with pride thanks to premium LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, as well as sleek grille design and bold 21-inch alloy wheels in satin dark grey with diamond turned finish. At the back, you will find LED taillights, power tailgate and subtle badging that hints at its plug-in hybrid powertrain. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed. The boot offers ample space for everyday needs and 40-20-40 split folding rear seats, which let you load longer items with ease. Rear passengers are treated to free headrest, rear air vents and plush premium seating with ISOFIX mounts, offering comfort and security on every journey. And slip into the 16-way heated electric memory front seats, adjust the electrically adjustable steering column and surround yourself with natural bore ash veneer, metal tread plates and beautiful trimmed cabin. It's calm, controlled and premium. The split rim leather steering wheel includes multifunction controls and satin chrome gear shift paddles, giving you tactile connection to the car. The interactive driver display offers clear, customizable driving information at a glance. The two-zone climate control provides tailored comfort for driver and passenger alike, keeping everyone cool and calm as temperatures rise into spring and summer. The infotainment system now comes with media, thanks to rich audio through Meridian sound system, as well as phone and smartphone integration with full Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless connectivity. Connected Pivi Pro Navigation with live traffic updates and smart routing, as well as 3D surround camera with front and rear parking aids for total visibility in any situation. You also benefit from low track launch and dynamic eye, which gives you confidence in slippery conditions and custom driving modes for added fun. You also benefit from ability to adjust seats and other settings and personalize everything from ambient lighting to drive mode memory. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-PACE 2.0 P400e 17.1kWh all-wheel drive, now available at Motor in Crewe. For more information on this vehicle or arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.